Hi guys, welcome to Short Nail Life. So in today's video, we are doing another Madam Glam video, and they are actually having a Mother's Day sale going on right now. They will be 50% off using the code up above. The code will be in the description box as well. So definitely check them out if you've been wanting to get some of their colors, because they are super affordable right now. So I just wanted to show you the back of the bottle to let you see that Madam Glam is a vegan company. They're cruelty free, they're 21 free formula, and they're HEMA free. And I love their polishes. You guys know I always recommend them to you guys. So the first color I'm going to show you is called Maddie. It is more like a sky blue, but I wouldn't technically term it sky blue because I would feel like a sky blue is a little bit lighter, but it's in that tone, if that makes sense. And it is so beautiful. I really love this color, and if you're looking for something to pick up during this sale, I recommend it. Next up, I have Perfect White. I really do like this one. I recommend it for this sale as well. Some whites can look a little yellow, but this one to me just looks white. I don't see anything but white, so I really love this one. I know I'm going to use it a lot, and it's a staple. You always need your black and white. So yeah, I'm super happy to pick that up. The next color I have is Mimosa, and it's like a very honey yellow, if that makes sense. I think it is so gorgeous. I want to do some bees nails, so I'll probably use this or the other yellow I picked up from them last time, but it's coming. It's coming. I'm gonna do a bee set soon because I am so excited to try one out. Next up, I have this color. It's called Black Ink, and this is just a alcohol ink. It's not really a gel polish, but I picked it up because I really want to do marble nails, which I do in today's set. So I'm so excited to show you guys how I did that. And then these are the colors swatched close up, and I know you can't see the black ink. I'm going to try to show you on the lid of the yellow in a second, but I really do recommend all these colors. Like I said, there is a 50% off sale going on right now, so I would definitely take advantage if you've been wanting to try them for a while. I realized that lid, the yellow lid, wasn't helpful, so I tried to put it over the yellow swatch stick so you guys can see a little bit. And at the top is like one coat, and at the bottom I kind of did multiple coats. If you're seeing those veins, I just wanted you to see how dark it possibly could get. I have already applied a base coat to the nails, and I am just putting on 2 layers of this white gel polish. I want it just on the side, and I'm doing this on the background because when I start building the nails, I didn't want it to be too thick, so I did it inside the nails today. And I honestly could have did the white on the whole nail. That would have been better because once I started building the nail, it was kind of hard to see because I encapsulated it with clear, and on the clear on clear, it was just hard to see. But right now I am just building these nails up. I've already said this, but I'm going to link Madam Glam down below. The thing about the 50% off, I don't know if it's going to be automatic at checkout. Usually my code is automatic at checkout, and you would just hit pay as you go if you don't want to be a VIP member. But with the 50% off, I'm going to put it down below, and if it's not, just remember to enter that in before you check out so you can save even more money. So I'm breaking into my own voiceover right now because I said the wrong date in the beginning of the video and I had to blank it out. But the correct date is May 16th and 17th. These are only 2 days you can save the extra 50% off. So definitely check them out if you have been wanting to try them out for a while. As per usual, I filed off camera. So now I'm just going to take the velvet matte top coat, and I'm going to matte out the pointer and the ring finger. And I know I usually do base coat right here, but I was very conscious of not making these too thick today. Sometimes I feel like I make them overly thick, so I was trying to avoid that in today's video. To further explain that, I knew I was going to do 2 coats on the other side of the nail, and I knew I was going to do some art to make the marble lines on the other side, and I knew that was going to be a lot of layers, so I just skipped base coat today. I could have put the base coat on the pinky and the middle, pinky and the middle nail, but I forgot. To be honest, I forgot because I could have did it. But I'm just now doing 2 coats of white on the pinky, and then I want to do 2 coats of mimosa on the middle nail. And again, you could put base coat under here. I should have, but I just wasn't thinking. Now I'm going to velvet matte top coat the pinky as well. And like I said, I did do 2 coats on the pinky and the middle. Sometimes I forget to say it, but I always do 2 coats. And now I'm just going to top coat the middle nail. Now I'm going to take my white ink and my black ink, and I'm going to create my marble. If you're wondering why the white ink, I just wanted to see what it would look like on it. I didn't really use it too much. It didn't really feel like it added anything. I thought it would give it more of a shadow, if that makes sense. But you can use it if you want to, but I didn't really feel like it added any value, because this is me putting the white ink on now. And like I said, it didn't do much. So I just went back in with the black. I did cut some stuff off camera. I started off trying to do this with some alcohol. Of course, it didn't really move too much. So now I am actually using acetone. And if it looks like one of the nails is done, which is the middle nail, it is. I forgot to press record. I'm sorry about that. So yeah, I just went ahead and I'm now doing the pointer. So I want to give as much advice as I can, but I'm still learning this, and I'm trying to honestly make veining with this marble ink. And that's kind of the best tip I can give you, is use the acetone, because you'll see more veining with acetone. With alcohol, like I said earlier, it doesn't really move the ink as well as the acetone. And also, wipe your brush off if it's too saturated. I wipe my brush off after each time I go on the nail, and I feel like that's actually helping in the process. And like, the more I did this with each nail, it felt like I was actually learning how to get more control with it. So I guess the best advice I could say is practice. It actually helps you get better in the long run. So next up, I am actually going to take this black gel polish, and I'm just going to make some squiggly lines on this nail. I only did this to this nail. I didn't do it to any other nail. I didn't like it, but I feel like it could look good if I were to practice doing this technique again. So I'm basically going to take this off with some this is actually alcohol, because it does not mess with the ink. And I was just trying to feather it, kind of make it more bloomed look, if that makes sense. But it ended up just kind of coming off. But in person, I'm gonna be honest, you can see this in person. So now I'm just going to paint the other half of this nail yellow. And honestly, I just saw this in yellow and marble, but you can do this in whatever colors you want. I feel like blue would look gorgeous. I was thinking about this in red. That would really pop as well. That would be so pretty. So yeah, definitely do this in whatever colors make you happy. And now that I'm thinking about this, there's actually some foil if you don't know how to do marble. You could do foil instead of doing the marble inks yourself, and then put the color beside it. So now I'm just top coating all of the nails. So I'm gonna be honest with you and say this is where I messed up. I am top coating all of the nails. I did top coat that middle nails. I'm sorry, ring nail. Off camera. I don't know why I didn't show it, but as you can see, that product sat there while I put the chains on, and I didn't even cure the pinky either. So while it's sitting there, it's kind of melting, I feel like, the ink, and I should have put it on, cured it, but I didn't. I put it on and I let it sit there, and I feel like the ink kind of got smudged out. So you're going to come back and see it darker in the end results. That's because I did it again, because I felt like it had got smudged out. So I apologize about that. But yeah, I did go back in and make it darker off camera, because I feel like the top coat sat on it too long. And this is the results. Like I said, to add some more darkness to the nails, I did go back in and redo the marble. And I love these nails. I think they turned out really, really cute. I am so happy with these. Remember, Madam Glam is having a sale, the 50% off sale, May 16th and 17th. So definitely take advantage of that and get the colors you've been wanting for a while. But let me know what you guys think of this set. What would you change? What would you add? Because I really wish I added more bling. So let me know, how would you add more bling? I really would love to hear that. But thank you guys for joining me. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. I do new videos twice a week. Have a great day, guys. Bye.